Hello and welcome. Today we're working on how to find selling price or the sales price if the only thing you know is the cost and what you want your profit margin to be. So, how to find your selling price if you know cost and profit margin only. Now, if you're new, my name is Jeff from Finally Learn, where I teach a lot of accounting, finance, financial skills. So please like, comment, subscribe. Let's get started on this problem. So let's say that your boss comes to you and says, hey, look, I want a target profit margin. We want a profit margin of 20%. We have 3 different products. We have shirts that cost $15 and shoes that cost us $70 and coats that cost us $120. So tell me, would you mind calculating the sales price? And you say, sure, no problem. So what happens is you say, well, 15 times 1 plus the 20%. Now, let's check our work. One of the things that happens is the target profit margin is based on the sales price. So let's do this. Let's say the sales price is 18 and the cost is 15. Well, what is our profit? Well, 18 minus the 15, our profit is going to be $3. But we want profit margin percentage to be 20%. So that's going to be the profit divided by the sales price. Uh-oh, we have a problem here. So here is the problem. The profit margin is based on the sales price, and the only thing we had was the cost. So we need to come up with something that's called the markup on cost. So we need to come up and convert the 20% to what is the markup on cost. So let me show you how this works. Let me look at formulas. Let's take a step back and then we'll come back to this tab and we'll make sure we know how this works. So let's set up a problem that we have a 20% profit margin. So let's say our selling price is $50 and it cost us $40 and we're making $10. So 50 minus the 40 is $10, and then we can take 10 divided by the 50, and that's 20%. This illustrates the 20% profit margin. Okay, so let me show you how we calculate this. So profit margin would be sales price minus cost, which is the same thing as saying profit. So if you want to convert this to, say, profit divided by the sales price, we can easily do that. So the profit divided by the sales price. So here in dollars, it's going to be $10 divided by the 50. And this is going to be 20%. Okay? Now, profit is really based on the sales price. But if we do $10, we start with 40 and we add on $10, then a lot of times we call that not profit, but we call that markup. So it's the same thing, but it's called something different. So you see it, we have sales price minus cost, and up here we can call it profit. Let me switch this back so that way we're really clear. But you could call this markup. So this is going to be the $10, sales minus the cost, but we divide it by cost, and that gives us a different percentage. That gives us 25%. So here's what the problem is doing for us. We want a profit margin of 20%. That means we need to force a markup of 25%. Let's do it based on the percentages here. So let's do the, what if we know the markup? And we know the markup is here 25%. Well, to convert it to the profit margin, we take 1 plus the 25%. Okay, so that would be 20. What if we know the profit margin and we need to convert it to the markup percentage? Well, the profit margin is going to be 20%, right? Let's point to that one. And then 1 minus the profit. So 1 minus the profit is going to be 80%, and that gives us 25%. So there's a couple different ways you can do this. You can do it based on dollars, create a little problem where I created a little problem where 20% is my profit margin, or you can do it based on percentages. So you can do it based on dollars, or you can base it on percentages. You get the same thing. So here's what we need to do. We need to convert this problem from a profit margin problem to a markup on cost problem. So we're going to take the 20% divided by 1 minus the 20%, and that's going to be 25%. So now we need to solve the problem with a 25% markup on cost. So we're going to take the 15 times 1 plus, and that 25%. So we're going to say we got to sell at $18.75 rather than 18. And so if our sales price changes, our cost is still 15. We're making $3.75. What's our profit margin? Well, $3.75 divided by the sales price is 20%. What's our markup? $3.75 divided by 15. That would give us 25% markup, right? So we can do the same thing for shoes and coat, and we'll check our work. So we'll take the 70 times 1 plus 25%. So we're going to sell the shoes at $87.50, and we'll do the same thing for the coat. 120 times 1 plus the 25%. We'll tack on 25%. That's the markup, but that is we're going to sell for $150. So let's check our work all the way across. We should be able to just copy this all the way across. And what if we sell at $87.50 something that costs us $70? We're making $17.50. We have a 20% profit margin. What if we sell something for $150 that costs us $120? We have a $30 profit, or a 20% markup. Well, now we've built a spreadsheet. What if we want a 30% markup? Well, then we need a 30% profit margin. We need to mark it up 42.86%, and then we'd have new numbers. So you can set this up on a spreadsheet, build all the numbers, and then you can just do a little what if. What if you got a 30% target profit margin? Well, then you mark it up a little bit higher. And so that's how it works on if you only know your cost and you only know your target profit margin, you have to convert it to a markup on cost. So the markup percentage then is 25%. I hope this is helpful. Have lots of videos on this kind of material, financial skills. So please like, comment, subscribe, and hey, check out this video that YouTube thinks you'll really, really like.